Hey everybody, it's the Triforce Master here, and today we're gonna play more Rain on Your Parade, because this game's fun and I love being an arsonist. Oh, here we are. Okay, so, yeah, we completed the garden last time, the school. I don't know what this place is. Looks like a rock concert, if I'm being blatantly honest. Okay. Oh, it is a rock concert. Okay, so rack up as many points as I can. There we go, and I'm out of water now. Yeah, I'm good with that. That's a pretty high score, I'll admit. Oh, son of a shit. That's what I was trying to do. There we go, mosh pit. What's this place? Oh, of course, right in the middle of things. And now we shall continue. What am I supposed to be doing? Oh, putting all the fires. Oh, it's not a... Yeah, so obviously the objective is putting out the fire. So that doesn't put out the fire. Not helpful. Little Y there. Whoa, I don't know what this stuff is, but... Whoa. The goal is to destroy the warehouse, and I'm doing it flawless. Ha! Finally, we're committing arson now. Waiting. This is hilarious and I love it. Ha! Yes. Oh, so that was the goal, to explode everything. That's pretty funny. Okay, I like this. Finally, we're committing the arson that I was wanting to commit last time. Okay, so... Oh! There's more. Oh, it must be just so fun to be a cloud. And be mean to people who aren't nice. Oh, is there something on your mind? No, yeah. There's this kid at school who always picks on me and didn't invite me to his birthday. Oh, I'm sorry. He sounds like a bit of a bully. You know, I'm sure Cloudy could teach him a lesson. That's alright. I will teach him a lesson, alright, by burning the flesh off of his bones. Set all the presents. Oh. My only question is, how am I setting the presents on? Ah, neat. All of your presents, kid. That's right. You were mean to Billy. You were mean to little Timmy. So now, you get your presents set on fire, and I just committed arson. It's finally what we've been waiting for. That's right. Okay, wait. What's over here? Oh, there's one more level. There's another level over here. Ooh. Okay. Why am I... I need someone to properly explain why I'm blindfolded. Oh my... Oh my god, are we really parroting fucking Solid Snake? Are you kidding me? This is literally a level meant to parody frickin' why can't I think of the exact name of the game, but it's Solid Snake, right? That's who I'm supposed to be in this level, the Solid Snake. Metal Gear Solid. Why did it take me that long to remember that? It's a Metal Gear Solid parody. That's hilarious. Okay, sounds simple enough. So you're just gonna circle back. Is he coming back over here? What happened to my... Oh. I am terrible at this. I'm not good at being sneaky. And this proves that I would suck at Metal Gear Solid. Oh, I'm blindfolded to not load the location, okay. I got it, bud. Okay, so, we're gonna actually try to be sneaky this time. We can't go that way either. So I actually have to be legitimately sneaky. Okay, we're gonna try to be legitimately sneaky. We're almost there, Cloudy. Don't come back here. Don't come back here, just... Fuck. I will take this route. Okay. Yes! Yeah. Let's find every one of these freaking guards and soak their faces. You deserve it for trying to make an anti-tank weapon. Come here, buddy boy. That's right. That's what you get. That's what you get for trying to make an anti-cloud weapon. How dare you? An insult to humanity. And I was over here thinking, oh yeah, humans only kinda suck. Do not get spotted. Ah, fine. We're gonna recomplete the level. Because I'm a sadist. Yeah, I know. I know, ripoff. Come on. God damn it. Can I just get you to possibly not go in this direction, maybe? That'd be great. Oh, yes, please. Yeah, I'm That was close. Close. I haven't been spotted yet. No. Ah, yes, I did it. Ah, yes, I did it. That's right. I'm cool for completing an arbitrary task in a video game. Look upon my coolness and realize that I am much cooler than many people. Where are all these guys? Come here. You get soaked? Oh, 2 more soak. And 1 more soaky. Yeah! That's right! Try to make an anti-cloud weapon. Decor unlocked, yes. Boom! See, that's how you do it. That's right. Now that we beat that. Oh, it's a farm. Is it gonna be to destroy their crops? Burn down the farm? Come on. Destroy the yellow wheat, corrode all vehicles, soak all humans, scare off all crows. Okay. Was that the old lady? Don't remind me, I gotta go back over here. Human. Not mattered. Right, screw you, crop. Destroyed the yellow wheat. Okay. My question is, how would I destroy the wheat? Okay, so I gotta destroy the wheat. Did I destroy the tractor or something? Do I get any kind of like secondary achievement for growing all your crops for you? When you're too lazy to do it yourself, apparently. Come on. I better get some kind of Nobel Peace Prize for this. Local cloud helps the farmer, helps the struggling farmer grow his crops. I better get some kind of news press release for this. If I don't, I'm gonna be very angry. Oh, so that was a hidden objective. Yeah, I wasn't even trying to find that. I was just curious to see if it was something. Okay, so soak all the humans. You're soaked now? Ah, no, come back here. You're soaked now. Not all the humans are soaked yet. Oh, crowd. Interesting. So I gotta rain on all the vehicles. Well, that one just doesn't seem to want to crowd then. Just curious. The question is... Okay. There's a crow. So... Oh, that would be the last human. No, I want to exit. I have another crow somewhere. I heard another crow. Where are you? I know there's another crow here somewhere. I heard you. You can't hide from me. I don't know who this I Love Clouds person is. They're kind of weird. Who loves clouds? I don't think you're supposed to love clouds. Okay, so I'm supposed to destroy the wheat. Okay, so how am I supposed to... Can't destroy it. Water doesn't destroy things. Unless it's a flood, but... I don't exactly think we're dealing with a flood here. How am I supposed to... I'm assuming there's gasoline, right? There's some kind of place I can... I'm assuming like the other levels, there's a fire around here somewhere, and there's a place where I can get gasoline. Because they're asking me. I'm gonna stay here till I complete every objective. Now, where the heck? Oh, neat. I have to rain on them all for like a certain period of time before they actually like corrode. Interesting. You. You're not corroding. Not funny. Supposed to corrode all the vehicles. Why aren't you corroding? If the vehicle over here corroded, what, are you too good to corrode? Not funny. I don't know who I have watching, but if you can't speak in the chat for some reason, hello there. Hi. Welcome to me committing arson as a cloud. Gosh darn you! Corrode the car. I'm trying to corrode this thing. Come on. Oh, I need more. Enjoy that nice ASMR twice. You can see the car's corroded now, but how am I supposed to corrode everything out? Oh! Oh, there's radioactive cloud. Okay, that's kind of cool. I had no idea that was a thing. That's kind of cool, actually. Was your crop not ruined? Oh, you liked your crop. That's funny. Well, I don't like your crop, so... That probably wasn't an alternate objective, but I'm gonna do it anyway. You know why? Because it's fun to destroy their crops. I forget, right? There's that last crow. What was one of them? Two star objectives are completed. But the last objective I need to complete for this specific level is to find that last crow. It's like, oh yeah, you have all the objectives, and I'm just over here like, no, I don't. Not until that glass crow. That last crow. There we go. Ha. I did it. That's right, you have to watch me meticulously do that. Full stars, baby. Wait a minute. So Cloudy just rains on anyone they want and no one stops them? Oh, of course not. You see, you just haven't met Cloudy's nemesis. Ooh. This is getting interesting. Yes, exactly. There was one man who absolutely hated clouds. Mean old dastardly Dr. Disbrell. I tell you, he was one angry son of a... angry grouch. What happened next? Oh, come on. We know what he's gonna say. It's a son of a bitch. Come on. A stupid cloud approaching me? You know not. You are my bane. If you're confused, I shall explain. Cotton rain once when I was 8, from hence was born all my hate. When I was 12, I took a bath, which only further fueled my wrath. I said no more, I won't be wet, no more rain, no more sweat. I'm Dr. Dryspell, a villainous cause, and you have fallen into my paws. This is where you meet your doom. Turrets go, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Okay, interesting. Oh. I hear you, game. Shut up. Oh my god. I know. Shut up. I hate that. See, the easy part is that these two... Ah, in the level again. Really? Game? Fine. I'm a perfectionist. Yeah, I really want him to die now. I don't know if you could tell. Jesus. I'm okay here, right? Oh wow, that only took forever. Down into water, don't get hit. Boom, see? Done. Cloudbuster Canyon. Let's talk to this guy before we leave. What fantastic progress you are making, young Cloud. Ho ho ho! One day you will be as big as me. Did you know that some clouds have the power of thunder? It is possible to learn this power? Is it possible to learn this power, you might ask? Why yes, you can purchase new powers with Cloud Bucks. Now you can obtain Cloud Bucks by trading in Thunder Coins. Thunder Coins come in packs of 12 you can just purchase for just... Oh ho ho, just kidding. There are no currencies for microtransactions here. You unlock things simply by playing the game. What a concept! Well, I think that's where I'm going to end today's episode, but if you liked watching me, I don't know what this is, let me know in the comments down below, and, alrighty, I will see y'all again next time. Bye-bye!